I just got back from vacation and look at all of these. These are all new. That's insane. So let's do some haul videos. Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. We are back doing haul videos. I've got so much new stuff and a lot of them are really big packages. So what I've decided to not make the video so long. What I'm gonna do for the haul videos is pick one big package and few smaller ones. So because the big package takes a long time to look through, I think it should kind of balance out the time so it's not extremely long. Let's get started. Someone stole my scissors. First package looks like we have dies. I see a lot of heart dies. We have rose. Oh, what is that? It's some kind of flower. Flowers. Oh, this is perfect to go on the bottom of card. And the frame. Looks good. Soon I'm gonna start showing more of the videos showing what they actually look like and how the outcome is. But right now I want to get the haul videos unpacked to save space and start organizing these. Okay, let's see. Next ones. This is a half heart. Frames, tiny little frames. I think those are so cute, and I've seen a lot of examples doing Polaroids with them, which I think is really awesome and so cute. This one. This is really small. Another frame. And I think this is a gift. Tiny little frogs. Ooh, look at that. Spider webs. So cool. It's a good size for a journal. Doing Halloween themed journaling. And it will take up a big space in the corner. Another gift. I think it's a gift because or they sent me something wrong, because I would not buy something that's this small. This is for Bookmarks. And we got another half heart. And then a heart background. Valentine's Day is just around the corner. And a Christmas tree. Oh god, that is beautiful, and it's so big. And it's perfect size for a journal page. Because journal pages are pretty big, and I like it when it takes up a big space. So this is the last thing I did, just to show you. See, it takes up a big chunk of the page. So you can decorate one page, and on the other page you can do all the writing or notes. Okay, one package is done. Okay, next package. We got ribbons. This is a sage color ribbon. A green colored ribbon. I was thinking to do a flower cutting die and use that as the green part. Beige. Cream. More like a vanilla ice cream colored. Another green one, Christmas green. And the last one in this package is this peach color. It is absolutely beautiful. Yeah, I ordered a lot of these ribbons, so there should be more coming in very soon, just so I don't have to wait a few more months to receive. I'd rather have a lot of things sitting here instead of waiting. Alright, next package. See what we have. More cutting dies. First one is this really big tag, like big rectangle tag with mushrooms, and these can be taken apart. There's some tulips in the middle and mushrooms on the side. Very cute, and we'll be able to do little white dots on them. And then bird houses. How adorable is that? Little bird cages. And let's see, little dog, Chihuahua, I think. Then we have a yin yang, a sentiment that says love. Let's see what this is. They always put the barcode on the face. It's a fox. And then over here, we have a panda. Oh, panda. Panda and a bear. Panda, bear. And let's see what else. Oh, there's two cats. Angry cats. A sentiment that says wish you. With you. I think. With you. Looks like it. A koi fish. So there's the bottom one and then a top one. A sentiment that says, what does it say? Thank you. It says thank you. A painting board. Where you mix the paint, which is one of the favorite things I ordered. A lion, a unicorn, and we got a few more things. Oh my god, I do not remember what this is. You? Does anyone? Can anyone read this backwards? I can read backwards, but this is very complicated. I'm not sure which one's the top. Looks like an H. Oh, it's Happy Valentine's Day, I think. Happy Valentine's Day. We'll go with that. Then we have leaves. Leaves are always good. Some stars and sentiment. One says wonder. I'm actually very excited to do Christmas cards. I feel like last year I didn't have enough time. I was still building my craft room, and I was more focused on organizing and cleaning than doing Christmas cards. But this year is gonna be different. I'm gonna do a lot of things. Alright, so this says Mary. It says Mary, but the other way. No. Fra la la la. Maybe. Happy. Oh, we'll figure it out when I cut it out. But yeah, that's a sentiment. Okay, last package. This is a big one. Oh yes. Stamps. I prefer stamps, or at least to look at them. Because sometimes seeing what the cutting die is can be a challenge, but with stamps you can always see it, and I see that there's some that has a cutting die with it. I love those. Princess and flowers. Oh, I should do a giveaway video soon. However, I will be traveling again in a couple of days. So the next giveaway I'm doing for sure is gonna be at the end of this month, and it is May right now, so at the end of May I'm gonna do a giveaway. Oh wait, hold on, there's one just stuck here, and then there's balloons, air balloons, and a girl just missing a piece. And little animals. I don't know if I like this because I have stamps that are similar to this with a thick outline, and those were a little bit problematic because it was just so thick it kind of bleeded in together, and I did not like that very much. Okay, so this one, Unicorn Girls, it has a cutting die with it, and then we have this little kiddos. They're dressed in, oh, what is that? Oh, the movie, what's it called? We're not in Kansas anymore. That movie. Oh, don't trust me with names. And then we have some, oh, it's I was gonna say sailors, but there's boys doing different activity, which is so awesome because most of the things, the stamps I have is girls. Girls, girls, girls. And then there's nothing for boys. And now here's one. Awesome. So I think boys are always a good catch, because if you look at a lot of cards that people do online, posted online, it's mostly for girls' birthday or girl style, but nothing really for boys. So, and it came with a corresponding die. And then we have these girls, again, very thick lines, but it also has a die with it. Sentiments are always good. Again, from the movie. Oh, I gotta look that up. The Wizard of Oz. That's it. Okay. Next up we have... Well, is that from the same one? Yes, I think so. I think the monkey is from there? I haven't seen it in a long time, so I could be wrong, but I think it's from there too. Then we have a little angel. And then we have some girls with hearts. And this came with a corresponding die. And more girls. This one looks very familiar, and this is what I like, this kind of style, the very thin lines, because it will come out sharp. And this one also has corresponding dies with it. Yeah, I'm trying to buy only stems with corresponding dies right now, because I was a little lazy and didn't buy them. And then cutting it out with my hand is fine, but when you have a die with it, it's just, you save so much time. Also very thick lines, but we'll have to see the outcome, because I could be wrong. It might look really good, but I don't know. We'll have to figure it out. And here we have a circle image of this girl just running around with bunnies, and it has a corresponding die. Then we have a very simple mice stamp. If I'm going too fast, feel free to pause anytime. Foxes and a bear. Oh wait, there's an owl. This is an owl, fox, bear, and deer. Little deer. Oh, look at this. I feel like I might have this as a duplicate, or not a duplicate, but this one looks very familiar. So I think I have her in a different set, because these ones I've never seen, but the other ones look very familiar. And this, we have a corresponding die with it. Then we have a girl under the rain. And then we have a cute couple. Like the, almost looks like the Little Prince. It has those folks cartoon, like the really old cartoon style drawing on it. Party llama. We got a party llama. And then more mice. Oh, this one came with a corresponding die. Party llama, I love it. Oh my god, look at how adorable these foxes are. So cute. I like the sentiments on there too. Bears? These are polar bears. Winter activity. Very good. I think it's gonna be good quality too. And then we got a Christian stamp, which I haven't seen in a while. And then we got these babies rocking out. I think he's singing. Looks like it. Or attempting to sing. but they're having a good time. So that was it for this haul video. I hope it's not too long. I hope you enjoyed it. You saw something new. Thank you so much for watching, and have a fantastic rest of the day.